So in this signal, we have to convert from the signal to octal value. And the signal is 8-bit. So here will be 2 bits, here will be 2 bits, here will be 2 bits, and here will be 2 bits as well. So all together here are actually 8 bits, right? So this is high, mean 1, 1, low means 0, 0, high means 1, 1, and 0, 0. So the value of the binary form will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 0. So octal means 2 to the power 3. So 3 will be the number of bit, and of course 2 to the power 3 means 8, its base number. So 3 bits for the octal value. So this one, afterward this one, and again this one. We can actually write down 1 0 here at the left, so it actually not change the value. Anyways, so this will be 3, and this will be 1, and this will be 4. So the signal represents the octal value will be 341 octal value. Hope you understand.